In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link YouTube channel with Google AdSense. Before we start, a quick note for clarity. The steps you're about to follow actually connect your YouTube channel to a Google Ads account, which is what advertisers use to run campaigns with your videos. People often mix up Google AdSense and AdSense. AdSense handles payments for monetization, while Google Ads is for advertising and promotions. We'll stick to the exact process provided here so you can complete the link successfully. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account for your channel. In the top right corner, click your profile icon and choose YouTube Studio. If you manage multiple channels, double-check you're in the right one before continuing. Inside YouTube Studio, look to the bottom left and click Settings. In the Settings window, select Channel, then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll until you see the option to link an account. Click the Link Account button. Here, you'll be asked for your Google Ads account details, including your Ads customer ID. This ID is a 10-digit number shown at the top of your Google Ads interface. Enter those details carefully, confirm any required fields, and click Done. At this point, YouTube has sent a request to your Google Ads account to complete the link. Next, open Google Ads in a new tab, again confirming you're logged into the correct Ads account, ideally with admin permissions, since approval requires access. In the search bar at the top of Google Ads, type linked accounts and open that page. You should see YouTube listed with a pending request from your channel. Click it, then choose Manage and Link. If you see an option labeled View Request, click that, review the details to make sure the channel is correct, and then click Approve. If the request doesn't appear right away, give it a minute and refresh the page. Once approved, your YouTube channel and Google Ads account are linked. This connection lets you run video campaigns, build remarketing lists from viewers, and access richer engagement metrics. If you ever need to unlink or change accounts, you can return to the same linked accounts area in Google Ads to manage connections. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, confirm you're in the right accounts, and use the Ads customer ID exactly as shown in Google Ads. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your YouTube channel linked smoothly.